So we've had another few bits come in, so we're going to open some bits up and just see what we've had in today. So first up, we've got a Cody Rhodes, and this is the AEW Jazzwares. This was the ring exclusive, so it came with the AEW ring. It's got his little weight belt as well. Arms are good, legs. Following this, we've got the Warlord, sort of from the 91 kind of era. More played with condition. Legs are looser. Then we've got another AEW figure. So this one is Kenny Omega. I think maybe the second or third one of his from Jazzwares. Good condition. Then we've got a basic series Razor Ramon. Joints are all good. Next up, we've got a Dusty Rhodes. This is from the WrestleMania with a, I think it's a Vince McMahon builder figure on that one. Comes with his top. Good condition. And then we've got Titus O'Neil. Legs are a bit loose with that iconic Royal Rumble where he slid under the ring. I remember seeing that live. That was funny. We then have a Randy Orton. I think this is from the SummerSlam line. I think this is the T-shirt that goes with the builder figure. Legs not too bad. And then lastly, we've got a basic of Natalya. Legs maybe a bit free, but it's okay. There we go. That's the figures that we've got today. Stay tuned. They will be listed as soon as possible up on medwaywrestle.com.